Listen, the collaborative model that helps teachers be all they can be applies to any Java-like group in any industry on earth, right? Pipe fitters get better when they collaborate around the right questions with other pipe fitters. And so we got to treat principals as they are. Back in the day, you were the principal teacher. You were a teacher, but took on some extra duties, like talking to the parents and stuff like that. Then we realized that you don't have time to really teach and talk to the parents and deal with operations. Then the principal moved out of the classroom. But we got to treat principals like they're teachers. Principals get better when they collaborate around the right questions with other principals. And when I coach principals, we operate with the same 4 questions. I just change a couple of words. What do we want every team to know and be able to do? How will we know when every team has learned it? How do we respond when every team hasn't learned it? How do we respond when every team knows it?